Shout out, mommy. So, good day everyone. Ready now?
Ready.
Yeah. So before we start, raise your right hand. Okay, raise your right hand. And tap the person to your right. And tell them, you are a millionaire.
You are a millionaire. Wait, millionaire. Still millionaire.
Again, raise your left hand naman. Raise your left hand.
You are a millionaire.
Tap the person to your left. And tell them, you are wealthy.
You are wealthy. Yes, we are.
So we are wealthy and millionaire guys. Let's go to start. I am a haging naman yung subject na. I'm actually a BSA, second year student in University of San Carlos. Yeah, Macaulay Club member, business owner, entrepreneur, and consistent medallion awardee. And actually guys, kanya akong pinakauna na presentation na face-to-face. And it's great to be a part of this, Karon. Thank you so much for inviting me. And to start, actually, I started doing Sun Life because it's our family business. Who has here considered Sun Life as their family business? Raise your hand. Yeah, let's go. Raise your hand. It's a family business. First, akong mom, it all started pandemic 2021. When my mom, nakita na ako ang energy ba? Kanang si mami, kanang low kayo. Siyempre, pandemic, low ang sales. So I asked my mom na, May, kung saan ko pwede mabuhay? Kasi hindi man siya pangagal sa mga brothers said, na mag-advisor na mo, mag-advisor, pero sila wa. Pero ako man, si Messi, advisors na yun. Kaya, it started from me saying yes. May, mag-start ako mag-financial advisor. The best thing that my mom gave me was not money, was not food, but education. She didn't give me fish. She taught me how to fish. And that's the best thing na iyang gihatag sa mga karon. And knowing the idea, itutuan ko pag prospecting, pag clienting, pag financial planning. Nanang ideas tanan sa ako. So I asked myself, where will I fish? And whom will I fish with? Di ba? So, di ako I started expanding my network. I started expanding my own business at the age of 18 as a senior high student. What I did was, syempre, una, prospecting and intention setting. Kinsa din mag-prospecting ka na mag-chat-chat ra. Raise your hand. Kaya na akong gibuhat sa una. Sige akong chat na gitapol ko ba? Kasi tawag ani. Kaya ng topak. Topak ka ba yun? Topak? Ayan. Kaya akong term sa ako last time. Like ka ng matopak gani ko. Tanawon na ako ang mga Facebook, mga accounts. I-chat na ako tanan. I-chat na ako tanan hasta sa malimit na lang ko. Pero, it was unproductive. Sige ako, rejection through chats. Pero sa Kalbayog, it was like a small pond. I was like a small fish in a small pond. May na lang, pag-ari ako Cebu, I learned something. I learned intention setting. What do you mean by intention setting? It's actually like putting intention in everything we do. Example, I have prospects. Kinsa dire mo kaon, di kaon sa gawas. Raise your hand. Kaon sa gawas. Kinsa mo kuha og tubig na tubig sa balay nila. Kanang galon. Raise your hand. Kinsa na tubig? Diba? Kinsa magpa-laundry. Kana pa lang, sa tulo pa lang, kay client. Kay clients. Actually, that's what I did. First time pag-ari na ako sa Cebu, wow ka ba pag Cebuano? So, nag-ask ko, I actually told Miss MJ about it, and I'm going to show you later kung kinsa ito na client. Kanina akong client, like, he's a business owner in Rogelio, sa Southwest. So, curious ako na tao, at ato ako, count na ako. Then, syempre, naway ka ng how to do some clients. Akong gibuhat na kaon ko. After ko pagkaon, I asked the owner. Kanang owner, dili pa jud siya kanang dressed well. Mura na siya kanang ang tagabantay ra ba. So nangutan ako, like, sir, ikaw ang owner? Siya, yes, siya ang owner. And I told him, what would be your advice to your 19-year-old self? And that question sparked something siyang kawaling na, uy, ang sanay na bata, ano mag-ingani na siya. Di ba? Nakita na ako sa TikTok, di ba? Nakita na ako sa TikTok. Eh, ano naman ba? So, why not use it to connect with the people, with the person you want to connect? So, paano akong gibuhat? I took my age as an advantage for me. So, nakutan ako, paano ko nag-start sa mong business? Ano, so, ga-ask sa Diyos ako, ano, interested ka sa business at an early age. Then, after that, we connected, like, deep conversations. Then after, I told him, sir, I'm actually a financial advisor. I help business owners and professionals like you achieve financial security. Then timing, I connected na me, nag-story, uy, kailangan sad na akong insurance. Sige, oh. Nag-go siya insurance policy sa akin. It's basically looking at a different lens. Looking at the different lens. As you can see, I'm also still a student in USC. And fortunately, na ako yung mga client na professors na ako. You can't imagine, na ako yung client na classmate ra na ako. I look at things at a different lens. Wala akong nikaon sa kanunan, kay ganahan kumukaon. Ganahan kumukaon ay I want to learn about the owner. Niyato ko eskwelahan not for the sake of going to school only. Niyato ko sa eskwelahan nag-study ko for the sake of networking. In a way na it's like an organization na tanan mo equal. Imagine, karon sa atong state karon, matuta sa mga organizations, it would be hard. Ngayon naman, they will look at us as something na, di ba, let's be honest, financial advisors, insurance, na premonition, nice, kaguro na. Di ba? Usually, ano ng mga rejections. So, what I did, there is a school, I made something like a predetermined thought sila na insurance is not that. Naghatagog value sa laha. So, karon, naano ko yung mga client na sa USC, students, and professors. And next is, we should look at our clients not as commission, but as our mission. And what is our mission? It is to serve them. Okay, imagine, last time na ako yung client, like, first, like, kalbayo pa ako, 30,000 per quarter is already big, di ba? I mean, for start, ako nag-start ko, 30K. So, sa pag-close na namo, nagingon ko, uy, bilangan niyo mong kaya. Yan siya, sige, try daw. 50,000 proposal. So ako, gawin na ako. Mura na blanco ba? 50,000. So times 50%, nano ko 15,000. So, makita na nila. Pero actually, don't do that. Kaya ma-observe na nilang energy. Your energy will change if mag-calculate na ka kwarta. If you focus on serving, if you focus on your mission, then you will have your commission. Pero if you focus on your commission, no, dili makuha yung mga client. That's why, mission over commission. Next is, next thing that I learned throughout the process is vision board, accomplishment boards, and goal setting. Kisa din nga yung vision boards. Raise your hand. Siyempre, kinsa ganan, Ferrari na kotse. Di ba? Kinsa ganan, mga yuta. Pero, actually, vision board is great. Pero vision boards are mga things na imong ganahan, your dreams. But the question is, how can you put your dreams into reality? And it's through goal setting and accomplishment boards. Accomplishment boards, kanin. Yeah. Example of my accomplishment board. 9 client applications approved. Let's go! Yan naman, because 9 clients na lang magmamakulay na sad ko. So, ang akong buhaton karon dere, it's like turning your dreams into goals and turning your goals into reality. You cannot turn your dreams into reality pas-pas. Kailangan mo ng checklist. You need progress. And as a man, as tao karon, what we chase is progress. Yes, example natay, ganahan mo 5 million na adayan sa inyo karon. Pero, di ba, di ninyo ma-handle kayo. We need progress. We need to be consistent. Pero everything, this kaning vision board, accomplishment board, and goal setting is nothing without the law of Goya. What is law of Goya? It's literally get off your ass. Wala yung vision board, wala yung mga accomplishment board kung walang actions, di ba? Di man, nasa Diyos ang gawa, nasa tao ang awa. Di ba? Nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So let's start acting. In a world full of dreamers, be a doer. Karon kadaghan na si visualize. Gamay na lang ang ni-act. Mogani ingon sa mga financial advisors sa Amerika, ang mga killers. Ingon sila na this generation is the easiest way to earn $1 million. Nga naman, lots of people are distracted eh. Daghan mga tao nag-focus na lang sa cellphone, sa TikTok, visualizing na lang, di ba? Pero, batik man sad if action ka lang ng action. It's complementary. We need to have action at the same time vision. The difference between 359 degrees and 360 degrees is different. Imagine karon, 360 degrees mo ato ko 1,000 kilometers. Akong destination asa. 359 degrees 1,000 kilometers asa akong destination asa. If i-calculate na ninyo, ang ilang distance between is layo. That's why our vision and our action matters. We should have a vision, a leader in ourselves, then a motivator, and consistency that will lead us to action. And with that, applying the law of Goya, vision, kanindot gani sa inyo, actually, kudos kina UN na mo'y vision statement, 10 commandments, I salute you for that. Actually, kanindot ana. Kaya usually sa pagkuhan, yo, Miracle 3, I love you. Ang samo actually mga self-driven. Yan ang may vision, mission, pero not imposed like, walang imposed the same kana na i-plant jud sa inyo ha. I-plant jud sa inyo ang seed. And imagine, karon there's a seed sa inyo ha ng mga MDRT. And soon it will grow. Soon aanihon na ninyo. Soon you will thank your UMs for planting that seed. Kay after a year or this quarter, next quarter, we will achieve the Macaulay Club and the MDRT. Clap for yourselves, guys. Siyempre, let's go. So the law of Goya is nothing without vision. The vision is nothing without action. And with me applying both, I was able to get these clients. Kanina ko mga mga clients na ako, these are clients na ako na ay cute na story. In a way na, mali ang business owner. Yeah, this is the business owner na approachable in a way sa focus siya sa church. I learned a lot to him. And karon, he's so great. Nag-recommend ko niya sa mga churchmates. Because of the value that I gave to him through financial planning. Ang man akong classmate. Actually, nangayo ko sa iya og permission na bro, yapin na kayo muna ako. Kaya actually pa siya, introvert. Sige lang daw, basta dili siya kaila sa mga tao. So, siya, his mother is a broker. So, he's a close friend of mine. We talked about personal development, financial planning for free. So with that, we concluded na, may I want to support you. May kasi akong agnay. So, I wanted to support you. Sige, mag-consult ko insurance for myself. Ako to, he bought insurance. And one day, na may car, ngayon si mami sa ako, anak, this car is usually a liability. Diba? It depreciate over time. But it's all about your perception. How will you turn your liability into an asset? My mom told me na you should do it or use it to something na mag-give value sa inyo. So first time ko mag-drive diri sa Cebu, wala pa ko yung lisensya. Yan, nag-try ko. Yan, nag-try ko. Pero ako ko yung lisensya. So neto SMC side. Kung sa kung pwede mabuhat yan ikaroon. So naminaw ko sa mga kay Chinkitan. Naminaw ko stuff. Sige. Akong vision, akong plano, wala raman. Kaya kung walang action. So niyato ko sa, niulin ako. Ngayon ko, mura na guilty man ko, wala akong gibuhat. Sige, try na ako. Muato ko sa akong laundry shop. Kung ito ko sa akong laundry shop, pag ito na ako sa laundry shop, ano na siya, I told him na, sir, I'm actually a financial advisor. I help business owners and professionals like you achieve financial security. Kana dyan lang akong opening pero opening ako. I help business owners and professionals like you achieve financial security. So kato, okay, sure. Actually, CPA na siya. CPA. And naman may thing in common, I'm an accountant, so ayun ko, sure sin mong advice ako So yeah, I got your advice. Not only ako nakangaya ko advice, but nakahatag ko value sa iya. Actually, karon na sa i-refer ko sa iyang family. They got an elite and some fit in well. Yeah. And kami, this story is actually first time na ako diri sa mga first time ni, kanina first time na ako sa Cebu. Wako ka ba mag-Cebuano? Weird kayo. Kaya mga Cebuano, katawan man ko kung mag-Tagalog ko. May sila nga mag-Cebuano, mag-Tagalog man ka, naka sa Cebu. Okay, kung sa akong buhatan. So, I tried doing my best to do Cebuano. Kaya sa Tagalabangon dire. Ay, Labangon. Actually, sa Labangon na, kasi tawag, 7-Eleven. Sa Katipunan. Diba diha? At bang actually na diha, Siomayan.
Si Elinitz.
Kuha na sa una, attorney, karon attorney ko na diha. Sa Lona. Pero sa una, kana is milk tea shop siya at the same time. Siomayan. So akong gibuhat. Kato sa akong 7-Eleven. Kaon ko. Okay, 7-Eleven, wala man kakuntahan. Kasabot man sa Tagalog. So, palit ko mga munchkin and stuff. So, at bang ko, siomay, milk tea. Ato sa ko. Pag ato na ako, ang nag-order ko milk tea. And unfortunately, ang business owner, yun siya, uy, tabang. Wow, words ako sa'yo, tabang. Sa mga wag, libang. Ano sana, nagpatawag ako. At the same time, na-panic siya. So, ako sana, na naman. Ako
Bakit?
Bakit? So, nakita na ko, nasusunog na di ay ang iyang machine. So, ako, napatabang siya dahil sa ako. So, gikuha ko ang cloth, pangtawan sa namo. And after that, we talked for 3 hours straight.
Yan, nagtagalog.
Yeah. Di ba siya Bisaya? Yeah. So, Bisaya siya in a way na may kabalo siya mga story sa ako. So, we talked for 3 hours straight, deeply. Among mga deep, kuhan ba?
Pumapit.
Yeah. So, kung siya, gibawa na siya, yung what? Man, kailangan mo ng insurance. Wala na ako ngayon. After that, story may nag-enjoy mi sa conversation. Last na ako na ingon. Actually, real estate agent sa DI siya. So, last na ako na learn. Kaya nag-ingon ko na, sir, I'm actually a financial advisor. I help business owners and professionals like you achieve financial security. So, parang kung giingon siya, Ano siya, okay, financial advisor dahil kaso sa Sun Life. Sige, i-recommend ka sa akong previous company. Ano na yung business owner. Group insurance, silang gikuha for everyone. And with that, I was able to achieve with God's grace Actually, President's Month, Platinum level. Nagpa-pictures ako si JV. Tara ba? Nagpa-picture ko kay JV. Nagpa-picture ko kay JV. And syempre, free travels at Bohol. First time ako Bohol kanindot. And yeah, wala, nakita ko NSC. Yeah. So wala. I thank God, my family, especially my mom, for the blessings and opportunities. And syempre, I thank personal development. Along the way, like, di man na like, the root of visualization, the root of action, na may roots. It's not na kanang rekta kabalon ako, no? I started to learn. Along the way, I understood personal development. And one thing that is important to me is good habits. Si Kobe Bryant, dili na siya maingnan na the best shooter if wala siya ga-practice o tira. Ang usa ka naning na tao, dili siya maingnan naning kung wala siya ga-study. So our habits will matter. Our habits will define our character. But the question is, where are our habits come from? Yeah, asa gikan? Tagumakaiman ka,
It's everyday.
karon magpanahon. No, di ba? It starts with the thought, with an idea. Thoughts become words, words become actions, and actions become habits, and habits will define your future. Di ba? Thoughts become words, words become actions, actions become habits, and habits will define your future. Knowing the idea na thoughts become habits, and habits will define your future, will you still think the same way? Will you still limit yourself na kanira ang ako akaron? Diba? Will you still think na kanira nga akong deserve, 250k ra akong deserve? You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. If you think like a 250k person, you'll attract 250k opportunities. And if you think like a millionaire person, you will attract millionaire opportunities. And that's why I learned thought awareness. I learned na my thoughts affect my reality. If magpa-kuan ako sa mga negativity, wala. Nindot ganito yung mission statement na, ano to? Mission statement? Ay, wala na yung yan, no? Wala na yung rice. Yung na, I am not kuan sa negativity, di ba? I detach myself from negativity. Because atong thoughts, mag-define na sa itong kaugalingon na maka-affect na sa ato ang performance karon. Diba? Knowing the idea na God gave us the freedom to choose what to think. What will you think? Knowing the idea karon na ideas will define your habits, and you have the idea na ideas shape your reality. What will you think? Will you think of things gani na maglilimit sa imo? Will you still think of things na dinining sa imo? Diba? It's a free will. Think about the greatest. Think about yourself and God. And syempre, I learned about environment management. Nga naman. Because ideas. Diba, what may susin yung mga asa, diba kung ang habits, gikan sa thoughts, asa ang atong thoughts gikan. Diba? Yeah, sa atong environment. So, our environment influences what we think. Knowing the idea na you are the average of the people you hang out with, will you still uban with palaino? Will you still, yeah, di ba? Will you still uban with people na unproductive? No, di ba? So, again, the idea na you don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. Karon, kinsa mong kauban. Valiant unit, no? Joshua unit are great people. You are with millionaires. Di ba? Ingon sila. If you hang out with 5 millionaires, you are the 6th one. Pagkitra na ako, if you have 5 para hubog, you are the 6th one. Di ba? So, ikon niyo karon. Kinsa ba kung mga kauban ko? Kauban ba na ako karon ng millionaryo? Kauban ba nakakaroon ng mga features? Diba? So it's easy. How to be a millionaire? Magkauban na lang ako 5 millionaires, ikaw lang pang 6, diba? Pero it's not that easy to be with 5 millionaires. Because millionaires actually, gisara sa Bisaya, gistrain ba? Gistrain sa sala. Gisala nila ang ilang sa ilang community. The question is, I mean, if the idea of you are the average of the people you hang out with, kinsa mong uban. But the question is, how can you uban with these people? Kabalo mo kinsa ni?
Yes.
Diba?
Billionaires.
These are millionaires.
Billionaires.
Billionaires, diba?
Billionaires too.
These are billionaires. The question is, paano ka makauban sa ilaha?
Pwede yung mga sa ulo.
Diba?
Sino na video?
Adding value to yourself. Yes. If you don't attract what you want, you attract who you are, then balik sa pinakauna. Sa habits. Have habits of a millionaire. Have habits of someone na productive. If you want to be a millionaire. Diba? So, balik lang sa pinakauna. Balik lang sa internal. If you don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. Diba? Then after that, environment change, I learned about management skills. Management skills is not merely sa tao. It's also sa money. God blesses us not based on how much you want, but based on how much you can manage. I discussed earlier regarding sa 250K. Let's say, mag-doubt ta, na ako'y 1 million karon, but I can only manage 500K. Siyempre, uubusan na ako ang other half of 500K. Like, baka ba, mag-drugs ko men. Di ba, maguba pa ako. Because, 1 million, if tagaan ko ni God of 1 million, na 500K lang ako kaya, it's not a blessing. It's a curse. So the question is, how can I expand my management? Diba? It's not a question of how much I have, diba? It's a question of how much I can manage. But the question is, how can I expand my management? Paano ko mahimo from 250K to 500K? How can I manage from 250K to 1 million? Diba? Balik na sa pinakauna. It roots to our habits, our decisions, atong mga environment, atong mga ikakauban. So karon, the idea na you have the power and freedom to think thoughts, to produce good habits na magpapamedalyon sa imo karong quarter. Kung sa imo una-una, will you still limit yourself? Will you still be complacent? Or will you act? Kinsa diri interested maging platinum karong quarter? Raise your hand. Let's go! Let's go! Raise hand! But everyone, is everyone committed to it? Diba? You should not just be interested. You should also be committed. So, basically guys, our environment influence our thoughts influence our habits, and our habits will define our future. So let me end this presentation with this quote. After Q&A tayo, ganahan mo. This quote, naganahan na ipakan ako dyan sa inyo for this quarter. For this year, Jud, let's go guys! In a world where people are interested, be committed. In a world full of dreamers, be a doer. I'm Jeremy Cañizares, and Q&A is open now. Let's go. I love you, Mom.
Thank you, Sir Jeremy. Okay, so di ba nag-distribute kong paper? So can I ask your paper right now para sa atong Q&A portion?
What? Like, gusto one.
Ang wala, gasuwan, walay labot sa raffle niya.
Hello.
Yeah, kaya this is a ticket for the raffle later. Tuloy pa ba?
Wala ni ang speaker ba kung prepare o parapol. Grabe.
Tinatagraw ko, syempre kayo.
Para kay Sir Ariel. I love you, sir. Thank you.
Ikaw nagparapos, sir?
Yes.
A small gift.
A small gift for Joshua Union.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko kayo. Sure, hindi ko yung birthdays ko. Happy birthday,
Sige.
Mami.
So, here are some questions, Sir Jeremy. Number 1, what strategies or techniques do you recommend for effective closing a client and securing a deal?
I love that question. Actually, mabutang na sa divide and conquer technique. Diba? If you observe karon, isa ga-vote last time sa politics. Raise your hand. Isang ga-vote. Not everyone. Ngayon ga-vote ta. Let's say, dili na ganahan sa politician. Ngayon ga-vote ta. Ginapos.
Exercise are right.
Exercise are right, diba? But it's actually because we have an option. What if usara ang politician? Our option becomes ma-vote ko or di ko ma-vote. The same with insurance. Use the tactic. Sample like financial planning na mo. Offer 2 Sun Life products, VOL and TRAD. Pero, before ka mag-offer, ikaw i-qualify na mo. Kaya ba ninyo yan? Or, is this person, let's say, 6,000 per quarter or 9,000 per quarter lang ang kaya? Then, ang imong i-compare, it's always a comparison. Panguntahan na. Kung saan mong ganahan, sir? Sun Max Link 100 or Sun Fit and Well 10? I-compare niyo mo. Kung saan mong ganahan na, kung saan yung kuhaon.
Give them a choice.
Diba? Kung saan mong ganahan, sir? Yeah, give them a choice. Kung saan mong ganahan, sir? Whole life to pay or limited pay lang. Diba? Pero if na siya kwarta, ang imong i-compare is Sun Max Link Prime or Sun Life Elite Best 10. Sir, do you want guaranteed or not guaranteed? Siyempre, guaranteed. If na kwarta, if ganahan mo for apps or sa, let them choose. Sir, kung saan mo ganahan? Sun Max Link 100 or Sun Fit and Well?
Naingon ka nga. Sa may recommend di mo ikaw may nakabawaan na.
Yeah. Oh, sir, okay. Ang ako masuggest is Sun Max Link 100. Okay, pwede ka maging yan. Or Sun Fit and Well, kay focus sa health. Diba? Kaya I know, sir, na you are a person na ganahan ka na guaranteed ang nawala na kayo bayaran. Pero sir, ganahan ka na kayo makuha in case of emergency. Let's go for Sun Max Link 100. Okay, Sun Fit and Well 10 is for people na kailangan na mag-maintain eh. Kailangan consistent sila sa payment eh, di ba? Sun Max Link 100 kay fund value. And also, tell them for credibility check. Sir, actually, most of us, ang mga advisors, way before, wala silang i-educate na VUL policy is whole life to pay. Diba? Do not offer VUL as 10 years limited. Ayaw pag-ingon na, sir, 10 years to pay lang eh. MBT. Look, ayaw pag-ingon.
Millionaire si baby.
But you can say, na sir, explain to them why 10 years to pay na siya. Ingon sa iya na sir, this is basically murag 10 years to pay. Okay? After 10 years ni mo pagbayad, there is a fund value. And that fund value will pay for your insurance policy for your whole life. Kaya na, ayaw pag ingon na, this is 10 years to pay only. Okay, they will have a premonition na, uy, 10 years naman ko nagbayad. Wala na ako, pero daghan pa yung mga charges. Diba? And, ingon pa ninyo na by 65 na siya makuha. 10 years, wala na siya. Pag 65 yun, wala na siya makuha, men. Diba?
Yes, on VUL more on life insurance original.
Yeah. So, kanang buhatan. Kanang ako masuggest. Pero, usually, akong ibuhat sa akong mga close dun na ako na mga, kasi big cases, mga dagko na tao. For starters lang na siya, like, ang VUL actually, conversation starter ra. Like, ang akong ibuhat, di ba ang VUL is 50-50? insurance 50%, 50% sa lang sa investment usually. Sa premium. Ang akong ingon ana, sir, kaniyang VUL, 50% insurance, 50% UL. Ganahan ka sir ma-maximize ang imong insurance, ang imong investments. Ako ibuhat, i-minimum na ako ng insurance and i-top up na lang na ako ang iyong investments. For sure, gamay ang akong commission, di ba? Gamay ang insurance. Pero, it's a long-term game. Like, ang imong client, once na manilitan, uy, he gives value to me. Uy, love ko sa akong insurance advisor, kailangan siya ng daog ko. Then I will let him win too. Kay millionaires, they don't hila pababa, they hila pataas. Kailangan sila, it's lonely at the top. Mga millionaires, you know? Listen sila mga story sa mga tao, ay gamay ang millionaires, diba? Millionaires speak with millionaires. You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. So akong ibuhat, para naarami conversation in a way. Nakoy connection. Diba na kayo millionaire friend because insurance advisor ka? So win-win situation. So, balik na. First, in offering, always give two products. Let them choose. The moment na mag-choose na sila, the moment mag-iwan sila na, kanina ko, daot na ka. Yan. The moment huna-huna sila kung saan ilaha, close na na. Yeah. Divide and conquer. Marathon.
Thank you, sir. Next question. How to do reselling? Like i-resell dayon ang client after policy delivery or panguyab sa?
Mamaya, okay, gets. Kanya ko actually. Actually, syempre, pan man na ito, makarelate man pa. Mag-apas ta ba? Di ba, kasi ma-reach na to ang target. Tapos pero na ako tayo kailangan na apps. Kasi kailangan. Sa ako karoon, nakuha 9 apps ko lang. Pero goods na ako. For silver. So nakuha 9 apps para makulay. So ako kung buhaton na dito ko mag-focus ang big one. Alasay ka niya. If ganahan ko magdaga na apps, ang akong policy na i-offer, let's say, Elitra Y critical illness. Pero na ay hospital income benefit. Para at the first, i-offer na ko sa iya ha, na fully lifetime ra, like lifetime endowment benefit ra. Then may ko sa iya, ganahan ka sir sa ban, na benefit, elite na elite. May ko sa iya na sir, ganahan ka mag-add critical illness. Pero 34 illnesses ra. Kasi magana sir, 34 illnesses na covered or 114. Diba, bumalik ako sa pinakauna. Let them choose 34 or 100 plus. Diba, may siya, syempre, 100 plus. Sige. Sir, actually, this is not an additional sa imong policy, but you'll get another policy. Okay na sa mga sir? Yes, sir. Usara na tao, usara na bagsakan. Like, wala na yung kuan. Duha yung policy. Actually, ang akong clients, like, below pa siya 100, pero usually ang mga apps nila is duha tulo na may kuha sa ako. Pero, in terms of client reselling, kaya nang hindi kuha niya, like, ako lang ako karoon, so balik ako, same gawin ko lang buhaton. Buhaton ko sa'yo, miss, nakapakikulang. Ka-financial planning mo, yeah, if mag-financial planning ko, ipakita mo naman ako sa tunga kung sa pila pa ng coverage yung critical illness na kulang. Makita ka nito, okay, napakikulang na 500k, miss. Imagine, naka sa hospital bed. Come on, imagine ka ron. Na ako sa hospital bed and na may 500k na kulang because of your critical illness. How would you feel? Diba? You will be stressed. Even though, giko na nimo. Yung yuta, gibaligyan na nimo. Yung kotse, gibaligyan na nimo. Tanan, gibaligyan na nimo. Nagutang na mo. Pero, nakapumikulang ng 500,000. Diba? How would you feel? It would be bad. Kaya ako ingat. Kaya ako ingat sa akong client. So yeah, client reselling in a way na creates scarcity. Scarcity. We are not only great problem solvers, but we are also great problem finders. Look for problem na wala sila kabaw, na naaday sila yung ano na problem, then solve it.
That's why nasa kasar na ako sa kapamilya ni mong nasyo.
Yeah, karon. Actually, karon ako ma-experience na diri Cebu. Sa Cebu na ako nakastart na. Kaya mga butan, mga tao sa Cebu to, mga butan, mga sweet. Yeah, mga sweet. Ingon sa si daddy, mga mag-uyab daw ko, mga taga Cebu, kay sweet daw sila.
Wala na available, sir. Wala na available. Wala na available. Thank you na tanan.
Oo na, yeah. Mga Cebuano, sir, like, mga fans sila, like, I don't know, or nabuhay na saan ako, na kanina family is like God-fearing and entertain sila o mga ingani ng mga tao. Yeah. Mga to.
Sige nga nila to.
Ay, nga nila tao sa ako ba?
Mga advisor.
Yeah.
Positive ilang advice. Sige.
Sabi niya.
Sige, third question. How do you handle your time for being a student and a financial advisor?
Yeah. And I love that question. Kinsay na ay 24 hours daily. Pero life, every day, kinsay na ay 24 hours. Siyempre, ano na. Minus, kinsa mo tulog din rin. Siyempre, minus 8 hours. 8 hours yung tulog. Ako, 8 hours ako. 24 minus 8 is 16. Diba? 16 hours minus 8 is 8 hours pag skwila man. Abay na ako mga studies. So, napo ay another 8. So, minus 4. Actually, ako, Sun Life, mga 4 hours, 3 hours or gani. Digit ko ka lang mag-Sun Life na full. Pero, let's say, mag-Sun Life ka na ko, let's say, 2 hours. 8 minus 2 na po ay 6. So, 6 hours. Siyempre, mag-business at 2 hours. Naba ko ay 4. 4 hours, siyempre, mukhaon ko. 1 hour. Naba ko ay 3. So, kung 3, siyempre, personal life. Mag-gym ko, 2 hours.
Kasama niyo mong data.
So, 1 na lang. Let's say, 1 hour na lang.
1 hour.
1 hour na lang. Siyempre, time's up. Kay God, siyempre. Pero actually, kung gibuhat, not only for myself, but I do this for God also. So, the question is, how can I handle my time? Actually, may problem ko na last time. Last year, after na ako pag-medalyon, na-complacent ko. Patin na ako. Diba? Kaya ba, patin na ako yung stuff. So, like, ang view na una, diba, Sun Life of School, na-complacent ko, in a way na, I thought of Sun Life during school, and I thought of school during Sun Life. So, wala ko na naging productive sa school, wala ko naging productive sa Sun Life. Imagine for 1 quarter. Actually, I'm not a consistent medallion awardee, kay last year, katong Love Month, wala ako ka-produce dyan. Wala ako ka-medallion because of that. Akong gibuhat. Kaya na dyan, nagingon ko na, uy, it's weird. Na-depressed ko that time. That's why I learned na I should be 100% fully in the moment in everything I do. Say, na ako sa life ron, I'll be here discussing regarding Sun Life. If na ako sa school, I'll be focused on school. Man, accountancy is hard. Kailangan mo 100% attention. We should make the most out of it. Business, it's hard. We should make the most out of it. So akong gibuhat, just be in the present moment. Be fully in the present moment. And that's how I balance my time. Yeah.
Thank you. Next, what are some of the common challenges faced by an advisor and how should we address them?
Oh, okay. Daghan man, di ba? Daghan forms of rejections. Wala ko'y kwarta, okay time, yeah, busy ko. Pero, busy pa ba ka? Hindi makaingon pa ba ka na okay time, okay kwarta, if ka na ka sa hospital bed? Kinsa ang naa para sa imo ha? Sa times na nag-isod ka. Insurance. Yeah.
Dami yung pagdiba.
Mga
Di ba?
Unsay linyahan nimo sir nga kanang kanimo kabagting sa client
Mm.
sa dunggan sa client.
Actually, nga akong ino na nice. Nakita sa din ako, pero giingon, murag, i-plant ni sa akong na it's better to be 5 years early than 5 minutes too late. Years early sa insurance than 5 minutes too late sa diagnosis. And actually, I tell a storytelling, financial planning. The question is, ganina is all about rejections, right? I tell a story about financial planning on me and my clients. Can you imagine? Last year, I have a client. He's a coach in a university sa Samar, a professor at the same time coach. And the financial planning me, I told him the risks already na he was unaware of. Gingnan ako siya na, "Uy sir, naka 800,000 na kulang if ever sino ako critical illness ka." Yan. So, unfortunately, wala siya ni Kuha. Ngayon siya, next month na lang po. Yung, "Okay sir, next month, let's go next month." By November, yun siya, "Oh Jay, next month na lang ko." Ito, December. So, by niuli ko, from Cebu to Calbayo, di siya tawag sa ako. "Jay, mutawag na ako sa mga. Makuha na ako sa mga." So, yun, nice, na ako yung cruise. Pero unfortunately, yung video call me, na-diagnose na dahil siya with hepatitis. Imagine that, not only ang diagnosis ang napababa sa iyang life, not only the expenses. Imagine, iyang life savings, iyang investments, iyang mga yuta, iyang cars, nabaligan niya. Imagine, bayad na siya. Na siya duha na adopted. And from private school, name of public school. And we don't want that to happen to us, right? And I don't want that to happen to me. And I don't want that to happen to you, right? Knowing the risk that you have right now, what should we do with this? Mauingon sa akong client. And after pag-ingon sa akong client, mayroon na siya. Dahil yung mga face ka ron. Nga nasa lang yung face. Actually, mayroon siya na, "Oh, no, it's better to be early 5 years than to be late 5 minutes." Nga na diyan. Sige, should solve this. Ingat sila, we should save money. Yes, but you think you want to save 1 million in a certain period, bro? In 10 years? Di ba? Pag 5 years, let's say, 5 years ka pa lang nag-save, wala ka kahurot sa mo kulang. 500K pa lang, what if nagkasakit ka at time? Di ba logic ba? Logic. That's why, sir, we have what we call insurance. It's leveraging your 3,000 to 1 million. Nga na. Kaya ngayon, tell a story. Always tell a story of pain and solving the pain. Find the problem and solve the problem. Yeah. Actually, I can send, it's actually more of script. I can send it to him para share sa inyo. It's actually more financial planning in a way. Okay, we don't just sell insurance. We help people get insurance. We don't attract what we want, we attract who we are. We add value to ourselves first. Kaya naman, how can you put value to other people if ikaw wala value? How can you put water if ikaw empty? Diba? Add value to yourself first before adding value to others. Attend trainings first. Product knowledge first. Before mag-storya. Diba? What if, kasi maminaw dyan mo sa trainings. Ano naman? What if ang imong client na dito, na siya'y problem na masolve kung taan mo, maingon ka nimo, like ma-close ka nimo, kaya kung naminaw kasi mong UM. Kaya mong UM, gaingon na, "Oy, ingani ang ingon, kaya nirasad ang imong ingon." Pero wala ka naminaw that time. That's why it's best to learn. Always add value to yourself. Ano na? Yeah.
Sige. Next, what are your activities for cold markets? And which of those activities that generates more leads and eventually convert into clients?
Yeah. Actually, i-mention na nila ako kanina. Kaya akong warm clients na hulot na. So, diri Cebu, imagine, family dyan nila. I mean, first time na ako diri Cebu. Tapos, wajud ko kaila, o ko ba mo Bisaya. So, everyone was old clients. So, ang natabo, di ba, ginagin ka ganina, asa mo makaon, asa mo mainom tubig, asa mo mukuhaan clients na nimo. Kana sa daw akong buhat. Wala ko nahuna na, uy, basin, nahuna niya na, scam ko. No. Yung si mami, dapat dili ikaw ang mahadlok sa lahang. Sila dapat mahadlok sa mga. In a way, di ba? Kaya so, mauuhaman ko, nami. Nauuhaman ko, kaya mato ko sa tindahan, uy, actually, financial advisor ko. Ay, mangyayari ba? So, actually, ikaw akong gibuhat. At a young age, imagine, a modern tao, pero sa tao na, face-to-face selling, kaya nasa lang i-suggest ako. I have friends na MDRTs and stuff. Like sa Manila, nasa dalang gamean. Kaya ang social media, oversaturated. Ang mga business owners, dili sila ganahan online. They want face-to-face. Kaya kanan akong mga clients, kanina nagipakita, cold na to tanan. It's non-rating actually. Clients do not buy from, it's either clients buy from whom they like or whom they love. Yeah. Pero dito sila mo buy, so wala nila kailang. So magpansan ka. Add value sa mong client. Yeah. Ato ka. Add value. Make them like you by asking the right questions. It's not all about the right answers. It's all about the right questions. Ask them what I did. Kung sa mong advice, di ba? So, mga yung gani kong advice, meaning nami, mentor-mentee relationship na. So, paano natabo? From someone na wakaila, from someone he liked, and someone he loved na. It's basically creating relationships. It's not selling. It's creating relationships. Adding value to your clients. So, mo masuggest if sa mga cold clients mo, just expand in a way na nasa mo in front ang gold, pero yan to para sa lahi. Diba? Nasa in front ang inyong client. Imagine sa August, ay ginabot, diba? Kana, men, client ang inyo, men. Ang iyong first, kanang inyo sa ni mami. Ni mami. So, ang inyo ni mami, dili man ka na berang na client mo. How can you add value to business owners is to offer first group life insurance para sa iyong business. Then from business to the owner na. Sir, nakasad may imagine. Non-taxable. Diba? Imagine, after 10 years or 5 years, starting the 6th year na kayo makuha for your whole life. How will you feel? Diba? Oh, okay. Una-una ako sa nako, rejection na sad. Ano to?
Nabalikon yun to ni mo, sir.
Yeah, balikon. It's all about relationship building. Isa ko na, dili mo na makuha. For sure, mga big clients. Hinahinera. Marag migo, di ba? If first time ni mo kaila, di man mo mag-ingon na, ay tara, di mo na diretsyon mag-go. Kailangan mag-consa lang yung relationship sa the same with insurance part na kasi.
Answer ba? Example na kay client na imo nang store insurance, wa man siya ninawa po siya ni yes, pero nagsige ra siya sin sa mga messenger, sa mga message ko. Kung continue gyapon ka or dili na.
Actually, ganito na. Actually, kaya na, Norag, don't mind it as a rejection na lang.
Wala mo siya nag-yes, wa po siya.
Yeah, well, no. Murag, i-appeal na lang sa mga habit ba? Murag, challenge. Sige, chat na rin ako balik.
Chat
Good day.
na every month.
Ito mapulaan.
Ayun, actually, every week gani ko. Good day, kanang good day, tapos na smiley face.
Amo ba every week?
Good day, ma'am. Good day. Actually, na client na nagkuhan nami na payment pa lang og signature mo ulang. Hangtod karon wag hangtod. Yeah. Siguro kaya ako good day.
Good day lang yun, sir. Ang
Good day, attorney. How are you? We happy Easter Sunday. Congratulations.
Greetings, greetings.
Yeah.
Ikot sa biglang.
Then,
Pagbuhat lang dyan kay Black
yeah.
Sir, no?
dili.
Pwede at ang uno.
Kay one time, ang ilang gihan na actually, na client din siguro. Gihingan ko niya, dili sa kumukuha karon.
Ay, gi-block na day ko, sir.
Ano man? Diba ka?
Gi-block na ko din naman, sir.
Actually, di ba nag-coffee mo? Ingat siya sa akong dili sa kumukuha ron. Ano man? Ano sir? Tawa-tawa sir. Basin daganan ko nimo. Hindi ba usually ko? Nga ba? Pagka dili na ko nimo, pansin nun, dili na ko nimo good afternoon, dili na ko nimo kuan ba? So consistency. So para sa mga clients karon, magpalmi, maingat ko kamusta man imong business? Kamusta man imong kuan? Mag-storya mo gyapon. Okay, they're not only my clients. They are my friends, my loved ones. Imagine, gasign by mong contract na you are their financial advisor for life. Diba? Nasa lagi tanong sa mga, we are financial advisors for life. Anong mawawa man ko na ako yung responsibility sa akong mga clients. With that, imagine, ako mga clients, silang mga tagpins, silang mga libre sa ako, ano man, estudyante man daw ko. Sir, kayo. Tapos, mag-client meeting ko, ato, coffee namin yung sa, sir, ako bill. Magkuha ako sa wallet ba? Sir, ganito. Mayroon siya. Ay, no. Ako na, don't worry. No. Sir, practice man isa mo. Hindi ako magbayad. Isa, no, you're a student. Kailangan nyo. So, di ko sa inyo ko, nice, thank you God. So, yeah. Cold ko, sa to? Sa mga go lang, goods na. Direction lang.
Pumugo na yung nagnaw. Wala sa liyo ng yes.
More ka sa test paper.
Sir, kinang mo ingon nga, wakoy time niya. Okay naman yun. Ako na naman sa imong balay.
Yeah, pwede. Pwede actually. Mas best ang clients na
Sa balay.
kuha niya. Ang mga clients, mas ganahan sila na sila ang magtulong. Yung sa maging gana na, uy, tara, meet out the day. Ay nga na
So
actually.
usually, mo yun na ilang ikuan. Nakoy kaila. May nawalay time. Busy sa business.
Ato ka sa ilang business.
At doon.
Mubay ka sa ilang business. Kaya sila ang iwas ang mga business owners. Before tumaghatag, di ba, nakwanto ninyo, na-practice ninyo, na before mo mag-present, na mo ihatag, nakatry naman na.
Katry ko.
For sure,
Namulat ako
close.
mga tayo.
Yeah, yung mga ballpen. Psychology na Like,
Parang nanumdum sa nimo ko.
in a way na sila responsibility sa na muhatag balik sa inyo ha. So, mga tayo ballpen,
Padrino.
padrino.
Mo ba na? Padrino ang term.
I forgot. Pero murag, basta mo lang kwan, kayong business owner niya, taglasad ko, ballpen eh. Imagine ballpen na yung pilit.
Wow.
Asa to sa bulma ito tas
Nice.
nila nga. Ano sila time.
Give time. Time is the most valuable thing that we have. In time, di ba? Mura in business owners, nagnegosyo, okay, para ang ilang kwarta, mag-move para sila, para ilang time na sa ilang loved ones. Tapos ikaw, you will get that time from them. It's better na mo, add to na lang ka in respect to their time. They will love you. Makita na nila na, uy, akong advisor, porsigido, sige, I'll give you a chance. Indot na. Try lang man.
Okay. Last.
2 questions. How do you handle objections, especially regarding your age?
Nice. Kani actually. Murag joke siya in a way na ikatawa na lang inamo. Ikatawa ni namo na pagtubag sa rejection. Ngayon ko sir, I'm actually young. It's great. What if your advisor is your age? If magkasakit na ka, nakakasad to siya sa sakit. Di ba? Ako, pag 60 years old mo, pag 70, I'm still young. I'm still here to serve you. That's the advantage. Tapos isingit sa na also na ako na, sir, actually, this is a family business. If ever simba ko, mawala ko, my family is there for you. It's not only a me business. It's also a we business. And we are partners for life. So makita na niya ang iyong intention. Not to have commission, but to serve, which is your mission. Diba?
Follow up. Sa mga advisor nga nila sa mga 40s. Advantage sa mga 40s.
Well, advisor sa 40s. Sir, kung ano naman, kung naman experience, may na sila baguhan, wala man na sila.
Oo, diba?
Ngayon sir, abi na ako'y batanon na client. Mauna, abit katigok na ako, mister.
Oo, nagkatigok no.
Unang kagatigok.
Ayun na lang yung news na yung panic na nasa kay Padong na advisor niyo. Pero usually, ang panic is,
Nanay ka, no?
you do your best to serve your client. Service. Imagine, service due ang sa TOS insurance. Imagine nga nung 50% ang ihatag sa atua. Di ba? Because nung dako ka yung hatag na kwarta. It's because of our time, our service na gahatag afterwards. Fund withdrawals, hassle ka, claims, parang claims, kaya at least makanina. I have this client, nga. So, mga
Last, sir, do you have a running Facebook ads for your business?
Actually, Facebook ads are great. Pero wako kasaway. Okay, na ako'y sa Miracle Tree side, a great, usually yung mga leads, yung mga clients, gikan sa Facebook ads. Mas better na mag-adjust karon sa ingana na sa technology nato. Pero let's say mo, nindot kayo na mo adjust ta karon sa technology. Pero let's say, if daghan na nang ni-adjust sa technology, accessible na kayo. In a way na, dili sa pag-value sa akong kaugalingon, pero murag psychological trick na lang sa ako sa akong mga clients. Na in a way na, kuhan ko, I'm not that type of advisor na makuha sa tanan. Pero kuhan dahan clients lang. So ano kayo pakita sa lang? Na you, kanina to ang meet karon na face to face, at least it's a great thing. Okay, usually our mga clients are great people like you, professional and business owners like you, valuable people like you. And kana na mga valuable na tao, wala kan sila sa Facebook.
Yes.
Yeah,
Busy sa work.
busy sila. Busy silang family sa dyan, silang business. Wala sila time pag tuplok. Kaya lang buhaton, ikaw Jud, buhato ka, mag-expand ka sa mga network, mag-expand ka sa mga business. Magpaila ka dito sa business industry.
Napay pinaka
Last, sir, what will you do if your prospect declined you because they don't have money?
Oh yeah, it's a normal thing. Actually, ako ganyan na story. Wala na to yung rejection siya ngayon, usually. Sa ako like after tell na ako na story, it's either wala siya yung kwarta or makuha siya. Kaya na lang dyan. Okay, if na siya yung kwarta, pwede man na niya, kuhaan kay, di ba na ito yung tubag na atong ingon if way kwarta, di ba, sa rejection, ano may way kwarta karon. Pero at the first place, yung prospect na niyo ang way kwarta. Di ba?
Siya ang pinakatabanganan man.
Di ba?
In the future, kung nagwaan.
Pero, it's best. I mean, mag-prospect na lang gani ka. Prospect sa mga tao na qualified. Na yung kwarta. Para ma-apply niyo ang tubag sa kanan na rejection na wala kay kwarta. Nawa siya yung kwarta. Kaya if legit na wala siya yung kwarta, man, really siya lang.
Consistency.
Yung 150 pesos per day sa insurance unta, di ka na lang unta na niya. Diba? It's survival is different from growth. Growth wants to expand. Survival wants to live sa short term. So find people na prioritizes growth. People na may business, people na kuhan. So ka na.
Balik ka to sir, so survival is
Nalimot na yun. Survival is different from growth. Diba? So, yeah. Nagkaroon actually, you guys are great. You are the people na for sure consistent. Not only motivated but consistent. Kaya niyo guys. Let's go, even though bronze, silver, and gold. Let's go this quarter, sir, no? Okay, let's go, summer campaign. Kinsa nag-ingon na dili niyo kaya? Wala nag-ingon, di ba? So if gikan na sa tong thoughts, and knowing the idea that our thoughts define our habits, and our habits define our future, why not change your thoughts? So karon, knowing this idea karon, let's start changing our thoughts. Let's start doing things for the better. Ano question sa inyo ha? Question. Na-experience na ninyo ang inyong palahubog na self last time? Before? Diba? Nag-inom na mo?
Wala.
Na-explore, na-imagine ninyo
Wala.
yung palahubog? Wala.
Inom na.
Kasi na-explore na ninyo ang inyong naning na self as a student. Diba? Naging naning na mo before. Diba?
Wala.
Diba? Na-explore na ninyo inyong desperate self before.
Yes.
Diba? But the question is, na-explore na ba ninyo ang medallion awardee this summer campaign na sa? Na-explore na ba ninyo ang millionaire ninyo na sa? Diba? Nakita na, na-experience na ba ninyo maging millionaire? Kana. Not only for the money, but for the experience. And for you to experience being a millionaire, try being committed this summer campaign. Diba, Sir Ariel?
Amen.
Yes. Thank you so much. Let's go. Let's be committed.
Love you, man.
happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mom. Guys, happy birthday daw kay mami.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mami.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Bawal Joshua unit. Love you, man.